Alright, here we are, Carnival Venezia, room 2256, and this is a Cove Balcony. So, cards. They have the card where you have to put this in to light up. So we are going to take that out. Hangers right there on the back. And there is 3 closets. And there's your first one with the mirror. And then you have your second one. It's got some of my stuff in there. And then your third one is right here. Doors. And there's another hanger. Somebody left a bunch of hooks on the wall for me. Yay! So let's see. I guess it's a little bit.
Well, a very good afternoon, Carnival Venezia family. This is Mark Hugh, your cruise director, having a chance to say hello.
Mark Hugh's in the house.
You're all the way from home. The beautiful Venezia, baby. We are so excited to officially welcome you on board for our Journeys cruise. We've got 12 awesome days ahead of ourselves. So, with that being said and done, before we get into the excitement and the adventures, please make sure that if you have not already had a chance to go through your self-muster process, that you do so immediately. We want to get everybody taken care of with all of the serious stuff, so have a chance to go to your assigned muster station. If you've not had a chance to figure it out, take a look on the bottom left corner of your stand sign card.
Very nice bathroom. This is a large room.
Your boarding pass. Make your way to your assigned muster station.
Your little table and your couch.
B is going to be either at the dining room, at the casino, or just upstairs by the food areas on deck 5. We've also got C, which is going to be the limelight lounge, as well as the gondola lounge. And then we've got D, which is going to be the back dining room at the very back of the ship. So there's a little layout. Whatever number it is, that represents the floor, and then the letter actually represents the venue, okay? So that'll make life a little bit easier for you as you're making your way around. Once you've had a chance to go do that, I did get the call just now that the cabins are available. So you can make your way to your cabins. Go ahead and drop off all your stuff, get yourself organized, a little situated, and then you can join us all around the ship as you have a chance to start figuring out the front, the back, the left, the right, the starboard.
It's a decent sized fridge.
Cool. All right. Well, we are once again very excited to welcome everybody to your home away from home, the beautiful Carnival Venezia. Let's go ahead and get organized through your self-muster process. Go ahead and get checked in.
So there's USBs. You have your 120 volts, and that is Europe. So there you go.
To download the Carnival Hub app, now is a perfect time to do so. So you can start finding out about all the adventures and all the fun stuff that's going to be happening over the next couple of days.
Like I said, this is a Cove Balcony.
Welcome aboard. We'll see you around.
Looks like we got a little carpet over here.
Ciao.
And we have.
Okay, bye.
So this is a Cove Balcony. Let's go out here so I can show you. Oh, a little chilly out here. It's kind of private. What I like about this so far is that it's very close to the water. So there's the lifeboats are right up there. I'm not sure I like that because I like to watch the stars. But it's very private. Got 2 nice chairs out here. And there you have it. There's our room tour of 2256 Carnival Venezia.
I hope you enjoyed my video on the Carnival Venezia room 2256 Cove Balcony. And remember, it's up to you to make it fun. Make it yours.